Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to send Uber Eats to someone in 2025. With advancements in AI and seamless integrations, sending food has never been simpler or more personalized. Whether you're surprising a friend across town or treating family far away, this feature is a total game changer for staying connected through delicious deliveries. First off, ensure you've got the 2025 version of the Uber Eats app installed on your smartphone. It's packed with smart updates like AI-driven suggestions based on past orders. Start by opening the app and logging into your account. If you're new, the sign-up process is quick and secure. Just use your fingerprint or facial recognition for added convenience. Next, head to the home screen and tap on the Send to Someone icon. It's right there for easy access. Now, enter the recipient's details. You can type in their address manually or select from your contacts if they've shared their info via the app's new privacy-friendly sharing feature. Once that's set, browse restaurants or use the AI search to find the perfect meal. The app might even suggest options based on the recipient's preferences if you've linked accounts. Customize the order by adding items, special instructions, or dietary notes to make it extra special. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. Select your payment method. Options now include digital wallets, crypto, or even installment plans. Double-check everything, then hit confirm. You'll get real-time tracking updates, so you can follow the delivery every step of the way. A quick tip: always verify the address to avoid any hiccups, and if issues arise, use the app's enhanced 24/7 chat support with AI assistance. By 2025, Uber Eats has made this process faster and more reliable than ever. There you have it. Sending Uber Eats is now effortless and fun. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below on who you're sending your next meal to. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.